All right, we're making 2019's White Castle stuffing. We got all the ingredients. We got celery, onions, mushrooms, cup of chicken stock, sage, paprika, nutmeg, salt and pepper, and then 28 White Castles, no pickle, no cheese. So you pretty much have to just take these. It's a very easy dish. And you're gonna take 28 of these and you're just gonna peel them off just like this, just in a piece. Then you add the onions and celery with a half stick of butter and let this cook down first. We got 28 burgers chopped up here. We have the White Castle graveyard going on. I'm not gonna say that kind of looks disturbing, but there's quite a bit of them. We got the mushrooms waiting to go in, and we have the celery and onions browning up here on the stove. Once the mushroom, celery, and onions are cooked down, you're gonna add the sage, paprika, nutmeg, salt, and pepper, and then put it into there. Make sure everything's out. I'm just gonna mix that together. All right, so once this is all done and taken off, you're just gonna remove it right from the heat and pour it right into the bowl of the castles. So you're not gonna put the castles on top of the stove or anything like that. You're gonna get it in there, and you're just really gonna mix this around really, really, really good. And then you're just gonna pour a cup of chicken broth on it. And the reason we put this chicken broth on it to help keep it moist, because there's a lot of bread and it can get a little bit of maybe a little dry. And then once we put this on, we're gonna top it off with some cheddar cheese, put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes, and serve it warm. And White Castle stuffing is done and ready to be put into the oven.